Okay, so let's get right back into it. So here I slowed down the video just a tad bit, but this is my fiance ripping up the tile in the bathroom. Don't make fun of the tools we're using. This is just what we have. So this is what the bathroom looks like after all the tile has been taken out. There is hardwood floor on the bottom, but it just looks really bad, so we're not gonna even try to restore that. We're just gonna cover that up with something else. And here the sink was taken out, all the vanities were taken out. I'm keeping the toilet just for now, but that will be taken out as well. Basically this whole room is going to be gutted. And what I mean by that is that one of the side walls in the bathroom is going to be torn down, because we are planning on expanding the bathroom just a tiny bit this way into this other room. So now we head to the dining room, and here we are ripping up the floorboards. Not sure if that's the correct terminology, don't come for me, but that's what I guess they're called. But anyway, here we are ripping them up, and then basically we had to rip up all the staples one by one that were left behind on the hardwood. That was not fun, but it is nice to see all that hardwood underneath all that stuff. Okay, I'm going to take you through another little walkthrough of the house after day 2. So this is what we found in the kitchen. Wood's in very bad shape. We are hoping to find some hardwood floor underneath the cabinets and hopefully be able to patch up these holes here that were made. That's our hope. We're crossing our fingers. And there you can see it's kind of moldy back there. I guess it was a water leak. We are going to try to replace it if we can. If we cannot, then I'm just gonna have to probably do tile over this part in the kitchen. Didn't really want to. I really was hoping we would have more hardwood, good hardwood flooring, but it is what it is. We're kind of just taking it as it comes. We don't really have a whole set plan for any of it. But here we see that I uncovered a lot more in the dining room. Still have a little bit left in the hallway. And just taking you back into the bathroom. Kind of this is just where we left off. So bathroom's almost gutted. Just tub and needs to come out next. And here you can see that there was pretty hardwood floor underneath, but it is damaged, and that's just how it is sometimes with homeowners, especially when you go through different eras, I guess. I don't know, people just like to change things up. I wish people would preserve hardwood floors more, but can't always get what we want. Anyway, that's the wall that's going to be taken down to push the bathroom a little bit more out into this next room. And then there's going to be a wall dividing that, like this room here and then the living room. We're going to put up a wall there, and that's going to become the walk-in closet. And then this is where the door to the bathroom is going to be. I'll keep you guys updated.